Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Put Your Hand in the Hand by Donny Hathaway. The song is recorded in A major, modulates up to B flat, then modulates up to B major, then it modulates to C major, then we're going to end off in C sharp. Okay, let's break down this intro. So after you play it, playing an A flat over D flat to a B minor in your left hand, and your right hand you're playing a D major to an A major to a B minor. Now I'm just playing it without the center note, so going down in minor 6, major 6, major 6, while holding this B minor. Okay, then B minor, A over D flat, B minor over D. We're going to call it an E major 6, but if you add this A, you'll see that it's really just an A chord over E. Okay, and then so you're going to A over E, to B minor over F sharp, to A7, to A7 over D flat again. Okay, we've done that before. Now in the bass we're going to go to, okay, so we went from D to D flat to B. Now diminish, A over D flat, that's an A over E, to E7, okay, let's go through that again. So you're playing an A to D, okay, for the intro again. To an E13 chord. Now that's like playing an E7 in your left hand with a C sharp minor on your right hand, or a D flat minor. Now you can omit some of the notes that are doubles, so you can just play one of those. Okay, and then the verse starts. Put your hand in the hand of the man steers the water. Okay, so he's got a little bit of a so he's got an A major to a D major to A major. Then to an E major, then to a B7, then to an E. Okay, B minor over D, to F sharp over D, flat. Put your hand, B minor 7, in the hand of the man. Okay, so after you go to B minor over D, to F sharp, 7 over D flat, put your hand in the hand of the man. Go to this B minor, to D major, to E major. So that's A, D, A, E7 to A. We go to an A major, to an A major 7. Watch these notes, they're dropping. So go from A major to A major 7 to A7. A over D flat. You can look at others differently. Put your hand in the hand of the man from Galilee. So let's try that again. So you're going to play this little run here. To A, we've gone through this. A7, to A over D flat, to D, to E diminished, 7. Then we're going to play an A over E, to an F7, to a B. Actually, I like F sharp 7, just to a regular B7, to an E, to an A, to D, to A. All right, let's try that again at full speed. Put your hand in the hand of the man, steers the water. Put your hand in the hand of the man, calms the sea. Take a good look at yourself. You can look at others differently. Put your hand in the hand of the man from Galilee. Okay, then we do a little key change. Every time I look at the holy book, I want to tremble. Where I read the part, carpenter clears the temple. Okay, so you're going to be playing B flat. B flat to E flat to B flat to E flat to B flat to C9, pass a chord to F to B flat. So F to B flat. He does a little blues run here. It's an B flat, E flat, B flat. B flat. Take a good look at yourself. You can look at others differently. Put your hand in the hand of the man Galilee. B flat, B flat major 7, B flat 7, B flat over D, E flat, E diminished, B flat over F, G7, C9, F9, B flat. Then go to an F9, F sharp 9, sus4, then we're going to go to B major. We're still doing this 1/4 thing here. To the dominant 2, to the 5. It's going to be B major, E major over B, E, D flat 7 to F sharp, to B, to F sharp, F sharp, to B, and then B, B major, B7. Coming up as E flat diminished, but you can think of also just B over E flat to E to F diminished 7th to B over F sharp to A flat 7 to D flat 9 to F sharp 9 sus4 to B. Then we're going to G9 sus4, and then we're in C. Same principle in this key. Maybe do it to a 5/1. C, C major 7, C7, C over E. F, F sharp diminished, C over G, A7, D9, G9 sus4. Now, last keys. Same principle, 4/1. So D flat. You can look at others differently. Put your hand in the hand of the man from Galilee. Okay, that was a brief run through of Put Your Hand in the Hand by Donny Hathaway. I know I've kind of rushed through some of the key changes there, but the really difficult part of this piece is the signature intro. So if you get that, you can pretty much run through the basic bluesy type of, dominant 2 to the dominant 5, Take a good look at yourself. You can look at others differently. Put your hand in the hand of the man from Galilee. Alright, thank you guys so much. Hey, I've got links in my bio if you want to donate or ask for a certain tutorial of another song, Or if you guys want some Zoom lessons to go over some of the songs I've already done, or to just run through some random music theory or some piece that you're working on, let me know and hit me up. Until then, thanks so much, guys, and take care.